Hi, I'm Doug. I stream over on Twitch with the username The Infantry Guys. I wanted to create a short but informative video showing you guys how I set up my Sony A5100 camera to stream on Twitch using the streaming software OBS Studio. So without further ado, let's get started. So in order to connect our Sony A5100 camera to OBS Studio, we're going to need a few accessories. One of those being what I have on screen here. This is a Elgato Cam-Link capture card. This is an external capture card that is rated for 1080p at 60 frames per second, also 4K at 30 frames per second. This capture card can be found on Amazon all day at $120. There are other models and other brands that are cheaper and even more expensive, but this Elgato capture card is well known within the Twitch community, and a lot of major streamers use it to this day. So for the Sony A5100 camera, it uses a micro HDMI to external video output, meaning it needs some sort of HDMI cord that can go to micro HDMI on the side of the camera. So I personally use an adapter which is on the top of the screen that goes from micro HDMI to HDMI because I already had an HDMI cord laying around the house. This adapter runs around $10 off Amazon. And finally, the last piece of equipment that I highly recommend, it is a dummy battery power supply. This is going to allow you to have a constant power supply to your camera without having the need to constantly change out your batteries. This currently runs on Amazon for about $25. So now that we know what we need to use in order to stream on Twitch using OBS Studio, we're going to simply plug everything in. Starting with the capture card, we're going to plug the USB side of the capture card to the back of our PC, run a HDMI from the capture card to the side of the Sony A5100 camera. Upon doing so, our computer should recognize this and be able to be listed as a video capture source. Then we'll go on OBS Studio, click the plus symbol, video capture device, and simply hit create new, and then it will show up under devices under Cam-Link 4K. And that's it, guys. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If it helps you in any way, please like and subscribe. If it didn't, if you have any questions at all, simply drop them below the video. And don't forget to follow us on Twitch at The Infantry Guys. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and we'll see you next time.
You can't be a tree if you're a piece of wood.